So if we need a fancy party dip, what are we going to make?
We're going to make Neiman Marcus Dip. The history of the Neiman Marcus Dip is that it started at the Neiman Marcus department store, and this was one of the things that shoppers could go in and buy. And I think they could also sit inside and eat, because I know when I was younger you could do that at like Eckerd and places like that, but they put this dip on their menu and it has become very synonymous with the Neiman Marcus department store. Alright, so that's a block of cream cheese that's softened, and this is Duke's mayonnaise because that's what we use here. Use whatever mayonnaise you want, or whatever mayonnaise you have on hand.
You just want to mix that till everything's nice and smooth.
Yep. You don't want to cause the mayonnaise to break down. Alright, so then we're going to add in some bacon, and we're going to add in some slivered almonds.
And just a little bit of pepper.
And a little bit of pepper.
Do it to your taste. And optionally, you can also add some hot sauce.
Alright, and then cheese. And I think the recipe called for cheddar, but we're out of cheddar. So we're going to use what we have, which is Colby Jack.
And like any recipe, you customize this to what your tastes are.
Alright, so I gave that a kind of a rough. Alright. You got it?
Give it a little test.
Yeah, let's test it. And we are going to use these. We found these at Buc-ee's on a road trip. These are Gardettos, the little rye flatbread crisp that are in their snack mix. And for as long as I can remember, when we would buy those, you would always leave me the little breads, even though you love them too. But these are the rye crisps.
That's good.
And these are perfect with this.
So that's all there is to it, to making a fancy Neiman Marcus dip. Perfect for any party or Super Bowl. You can use Ritz crackers,
Club crackers, rye crackers, all the crackers.
So comment, let us know if you make this and how it works out for you. And then watch this next video for another great recipe from Ghost Host Kitchen.
Bye.